The 7-inch wireless backup camera offers an easy plug-and-play setup, allowing installation in as little as 20 to 30 minutes without complicated wiring. With high-definition 1080p video quality, the camera provides crystal-clear visuals, ensuring you can reverse, park, or tow with confidence even in low-light conditions. A simple click on the CH button allows you to switch between different camera views or activate split-screen mode, offering full flexibility and control. The IP69 waterproof rating ensures the camera can withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions, providing reliable performance in heavy rain, snow, or heat. Adjustable parking lines offer real-time assistance, making it easier and safer to navigate tight spaces, enhancing both parking and towing experiences. The large 7-inch screen offers a vibrant display, providing a comprehensive view of surroundings and ensuring you can see everything clearly, whether reversing, parking, or towing.